In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a company knowledge base in Notion using a ready-made template. It's a simple way to organize documentation, policies, and team resources in one place. Let's get started. Open Notion and create a new page. Click Templates in the sidebar and search for Company Wiki, Knowledge Base or Team Wiki. Choose a template that best fits your organization and add it to your workspace. Replace the sample content with your company's information. Add sections for onboarding, policies, standard operating procedures, project documentation, FAQs, and team resources. Customize the pages by adding your company logo, cover image, and navigation links. Create databases for documents if you want to organize content by department, category, or owner. Set up permissions so team members can view or edit the knowledge base as needed. Keep the content updated by reviewing documents regularly and adding new information as your company grows. A well-organized knowledge base makes it easier for everyone to find important information and collaborate more efficiently. That's how to build a company knowledge base in Notion. Thanks for watching.